Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech accessories so you can decide what's worth your money. Today we're taking a close look at the eXtremeRate replacement DIY rear back plate for the Nintendo Switch 2. This is a fully custom housing shell designed to replace the stock backplate on your new Switch 2 handheld console. If you've ever wanted your system to stand out or you're aiming for that clean, transparent aesthetic, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the material. The back plate is made from durable PC plastic, and even though it's lightweight, it feels solid. The clear version I'm showcasing today really highlights the internal components of the Switch 2, giving it that retro see-through look that a lot of us grew up loving. eXtremeRate has always been known for customization, and this kit is no exception. The finish is smooth, the edges are clean, and everything is precision cut to match the exact fit of the Switch 2. Before we get into installation, it's important to know that this is not a simple snap-on accessory. This is a full replacement shell, so you'll be opening up your console. eXtremeRate recommends moderate experience with electronic disassembly, and I agree. You will need patience because there are small screws, clips, and flex cables to manage. Fortunately, the package includes the tools you'll need: tri-wing and cross screwdrivers, tweezers, a pry tool, stickers for the kickstand area, spare screws, and even a replacement power and volume button. If you're worried about going in blind, the company provides a detailed installation video on YouTube. Search for eXtremeRate replacement backplate for Switch 2 inches or the code provided in the description. Installing the shell took me around half an hour. I went slow, double-checked every connection, and paused the tutorial whenever necessary. Everything lined up properly, and once the back plate snapped into place, the Switch 2 looked like an entirely different device. One important detail is that the shell is fully compatible with dock mode. After installation, the console slid into the dock without any resistance, and charging and display output worked normally. Something I appreciate is that this kit doesn't try to reinvent the feel of the console. The back plate sits flush on all sides, and the fit is tight and secure. The Switch 2 feels just as sturdy as before, but now it has a completely personalized style. Whether you prefer minimalism, vibrant colors, or unique effects, eXtremeRate offers a wide range of styles. But the clear version is definitely a standout. Now, keep in mind what this package is not. It doesn't include the console, the kickstand, or any internal electronic components. It's strictly a cosmetic shell upgrade, so if your original back plate is damaged or you simply want a visual refresh, this is a great solution. After using it for a few days, the shell has held up well. No unexpected flexing, no misalignment, and no issues with the buttons that come included. It really transforms the console from something standard into something personal, exactly what custom housing should do. So, who is this product for? If you enjoy modding, customizing, or upgrading your tech, this is absolutely worth considering. If you're someone who has never opened a device before and doesn't feel comfortable doing so, you may want to watch the installation video first and decide if you're up for it. But for those who love a clean, stylish transformation, the eXtremeRate rear back plate for the Nintendo Switch 2 delivers a unique look without compromising functionality. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other Switch 2 accessories you'd like to see reviewed. I'll see you in the next video.